Hello students, it is the fourth video targeting for JEE Main and Advanced 2021. In first three videos, I have completed hybridization of carbon and hybridization of these some heteroatoms in organic molecules and alene structure and derivatives also. Okay, now in this video let us discuss carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond length in organic molecules. Okay, so now here in organic molecules, the carbon undergo that sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization and sp hybridization. Okay, so here the size of the hybrid orbitals different. Okay, so the sp3 hybrid orbital is larger. Okay, and the sp hybrid orbital is smaller in size. So with increasing generally p character, longevity increases. Okay, na? That means your length increases. So length increases, it means your bond length also increases. Here in this case that sp hybrid orbital is smaller in size, more s character, that is very close to the nucleus. It means that has a least bond length. Okay, so here with increasing p character, size increases as well as longevity, the length increases, nothing but bond length increases. Okay, so here if carbon has a 2 pi bonds and 2 sigma bonds, sp hybridization. Carbon has a 3 sigma bonds, that is the sp2 hybridization. Carbon has a 4 sigma bond, that is the sp3 hybridization. Okay, so here with increasing p character, bond length increases, size increases. Okay, so here with increasing bond length, bond strength decreases. So now here there are six types of carbon-carbon sigma bonds. There are six types of carbon-carbon sigma bonds. Based on the hybridization of the particular carbon. So here in this case, this carbon is sp3, here this carbon sp3. Okay, so just here only single bonds, carbon-carbon sigma bonds. Here this carbon sp2 and this carbon sp3. So here the sigma sp2 sp3 bond. Now this is sigma sp3 sp3 bond. Now it is a sigma sp2 and sigma sp2 and sp2 bond. Okay, now here in this case sigma sp and sp3 bond, here sigma sp2 and sp bond, here sigma sp and sp bond. Okay, so totally six types of bonds. Here in this case, what is the bond length? So here sp3 hybrid orbital is larger in size. So here the sigma bond is formed by the hybrid overlapping of the two sp3 hybrid orbital. For suppose this is one sp3 hybrid orbital, and for suppose this is another sp3 hybrid orbital. So this one has a higher bond length. Now here if coming to this one, here sp hybrid orbital means here smaller in size. So here in this case also sp hybrid orbital smaller in size. So your bond length is very less. Your bond length is a higher. Okay. So with increasing p character, bond length increases. So here sigma sp3 ultimately has a higher bond length. Okay, and this is the weaker bond. Now in this case the sigma sp bond is that means small, that bond length has a is very less, and this bond is a very stronger bond. Okay, and here what is the decreasing order for this six types of carbon-carbon sigma bonds? Okay, sigma sp3 sigma sp2 now here sigma sp2 is a stronger bond than the sigma sp3 bond. Now this is stronger than, that means this one has a larger bond length than the sigma sp2 and then least sigma sp bond length is very less. Okay, because two are the smaller size hybrid orbitals. Okay, the point is this is the sigma sp2 bond is a has a higher bond length than the sigma sp and sp3. Okay, so here in this case the bond length is approximately here 1.47 angstroms. For this one 1.46 angstroms, very small difference for these two types of sigma bonds. Okay, sigma sp to sp2 is larger than the sigma sp and sp3 bond. That's it. And similarly, there are three types of carbon-hydrogen bonds based on the hybridization of the carbon. So here this is the sigma sp3 s bond, and this is sigma sp2 s bond, and this is sigma sp and s bond. So now here this is formed by the overlapping of the sp hybrid orbital and as well as the hydrogen s orbital. So it is a very shorter bond. Okay, this is the shorter bond. And next here in this case, this bond has a higher bond length because here sp3 hybrid orbital has a higher longevity. It is inward overlapping with the hydrogen s orbital, so it has a higher bond length. Okay, that means here this carbon hydrogen bond is a stronger bond. And next here they consider these four molecules. So carbon carbon bond length we have to compare in this ethane and ethane, and it is a benzene. So carbon carbon bond length, that means it is a single bond, so it has a high bond length 1.54 angstroms. Double bond 1.34 angstroms, you know this one. So here 1.20 angstroms. Okay, but in case of the benzene, that benzene has a resonance actually. So because of the resonance here, all bonds have the single bond character as well as the double bond character. So finally here, the every bond has some partial double bond character. Okay, every bond has some partial double bond character. So here the bond length is in between the C double bond C and as well as C bond single bond. So here 1.34 angstroms, here 1.54 angstroms. So ultimately the carbon carbon bond length in benzene is a 1.39 angstroms. So bond length order is A greater than, next D greater than, and B greater than, and C. Okay, so because the resonance in benzene, here the bond length between the single bond as well as the double bond. Now here compare the C2 C3 bond strength order. Okay, here bond strength order, this is the C2 C3, here C2 C3, here all these are the C2 C3 bonds. Okay, C2 C3 bonds. So now here in this case, this bond is the sp3 bond, and now here this is sp3 and sp2 bond. Now it is a sp2 bond. This one is the sp2 sp bond. This one is the sp, and this one also sp bond. So now here generally A has a higher bond because it's sigma sp3 bond. Next here sp3 sp2, so this one has a higher bond length. Next here sp2 here sp2 sp. So here C greater than D greater than E. Okay, so as in the case of this one here, already we discussed this one. Sigma sp3 is a higher bond length. The next sigma sp2 sp3, and here third one is sigma sp2 sp2. Okay, and next is sigma sp sp3, here sigma sp2 sp, here sigma sp and sp. Okay, so next here one more example let us discuss. So here in this case, what is the bond length order? This is the ABCD. So we have to arrange the ABCD in a decreasing order or increasing order. So in this case here sp3 bond. Okay, this is sp3 carbon and this is the sp3 carbon. So here in this case again this is sp3 carbon, this is sp2. Okay, sp3 sp2. Now here in this case this is sp3 carbon and this is the sp carbon. Now here in this case sp and sp. Okay, this carbon sp, this carbon is sp, so it is a sp bond. Of course it is a triple bond, so least bond length D. Okay, and next here coming to this one, here sp3 sp2, here sp3 sp. Okay, and here sp3 has a higher bond length. Now here the between B and C, here sp3 sp2 sp3 sp. So this one is a higher bond because sp2 has a larger size than the sp. So here B and C. Okay, it is the order for this molecule. But suppose here four different molecules. So this bond is sigma sp2 bond. Okay, sigma sp2 bond. Here in this case double bond, here in this case triple bond. So triple bond has the least bond length. Now here sp3 and sp3. Okay, this is also sp3. So C has a higher bond length. Okay, next is sigma sp2 bond A, and then here B, Ca Bd. Okay, so here one more the important point, that is here two triple bonds are there, here one double bond is there. This is the bond sigma sp bond, Here in this case sigma sp2 sp2 bond. Okay, which one is the higher bond length? This one is the higher cc bond length. Okay, of course generally we are thinking that there is a resonance, so this one is the least bond length, but here this bond is formed by the overlapping of the two sp hybrid orbitals. Of course here also we can see the hybridization also, that sorry, you can see here the resonance also. Okay, so as a result of the resonance here the structure becomes very complicated. C double bond, here C double bond CH. Here in this case this one carries a negative charge, this one carries a positive charge. Okay, that's it. Okay, and here for this molecule arrange the increasing order of the bond length, and answer you can post in comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and in next video I will discuss the that bond length in benzene and bond length in naphthalene. Okay, and bond length in anthracene, and bond length in pyrene, and bond length in phenanthracene. Okay, here actually in this case all CC bonds are equal, but in this case all CC bonds are not equal. Here also all CC bonds are not equal. Here two types of carbon-carbon bonds are present. Here three types of carbon-carbon bonds are present. So about this concept let us discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.